All right, guys, we are getting started tonight with the first break we've done of Hit Parade Limited Football. So this is box 37 out of 100. Every box has got one autographed card in it, high-end autograph. So you've got Brady and Aaron Rodgers and Patrick Mahomes and Peyton Manning. All those guys are in this. So every spot gives you, the way that we did the football break is it's a last name letter break. So every spot gives you two random last name letters. So in this one, I've got Bill P with 3 spots. Tony's got 3, Barry with 1, Donnie with 1. Imran has got 1, and then Brian G closed us out with the last spot. So let's go ahead. First thing we'll do is randomize the last name letters. So we'll mix this up 5 times. Got rid of Q and X and Z. So there's only 20 total letters. All right, so every spot gives you 2 random letters. Let's go ahead and mix this up 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Barry, you've got last name S and D. Bill's got W and H, J, N, V, and C. Brian's got M and R. Donnie with K and E. Imran's got A and T. And then Tony, you've got L, B, G, P, F, and Y. So there goes your rundown for the letters. Yeah, Spence, we're good, man. All right, 37 out of 100. This is Series 6 on this one. And then, Tony, I'll get you down for those teams that you claimed. Oh, dang. I saw Patriot. I got excited, but it's the wrong Patriots quarterback, but it's still pretty nice. Got a Jimmy Garoppolo. Rookie Inception, 17 out of 25. That's from 2014 Inception. It's like the sleeve has been ripped a little bit. Nice looking card. So that's going to be last name G there, which will be going to Tony. Sorry that wasn't a Brady, man, because you had B too. And it wasn't a Saquon. But Jimmy G's pretty nice too, especially low number to 25. His stuff was crazy hot last year. And hopefully it'll come back after he returns from injury. So nice hit there, man. We'll get that card in the mail to you tomorrow. And we'll do another box of this coming up next weekend. So appreciate you joining us for the Limited Football.